In this video, we are introducing a very useful functionality called Print to SharePoint, which allows you to redirect any printed output report in PDF, Word, or Excel sheet from Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central to the SharePoint storage. NavSherpa uses report print setting to create an electronic document in PDF format. Let's have a look at the Print to SharePoint functionality with an example of the posted purchase invoice. Let's open the invoice and show a preview. We can see the document in the same format as it will look after creating the document. Use the new button Print to SP in the ribbon to start creating the document. At this point, the document is being sent to SharePoint. The document is now saved to SharePoint and can be displayed there. At the same time, we can make sure that the document exactly matches the preview that we displayed in the previous step. In this case, however, we do not like the document name. Therefore, we are going to delete the document and set different document name format. Now we open Report Selections Purchase. In this table, NavSherpa adds new setup options. The first one is the SharePoint Library Setup Code field, which determines to which SharePoint library NavSherpa will store the document. Another field is Content Type Caption, which specifies the target content type of the document. And finally, SharePoint PDF file name, which uses text variables to set the name of the created file. In our example, we will change the name of the created documents to the format vendor invoice and set the invoice number as a variable. All documents created from the purchase invoice will now be saved with the name in the required format. Let's see if it works. On the invoice card, we have to press Print to SP again. In the Smart Tree window, we can see that the document is now created with the name which we defined in the previous step in Settings. After submitting the document, we can display the purchase invoice library on SharePoint. Thanks to NavSherpa, we've created an electronic version of a document with one click and placed the document in the desired SharePoint library with the required name. At the same time, all other metadata and links are added to the document. If you would like to learn more about NavSherpa, go to www.navsherpa.com.